Black coffee is 50 seconds. Latte art is 80 seconds. And image latte art, new image, or logo, new logo art is 90 seconds. So we have the cup device, we have the printer device, we have the coffee brewing engine. Over here is for making iced or iced coffee. And coffee's coming into the cup from the Eversys Swiss technology, the burner. And then the cup will be delivered over to the other arm to do the latte art. We chose this time the year of the mouse for the art. Here we go. On top. Oh, the printer's on top. So after filling the coffee, the milk, it goes to the printing device. We're going to do the year of the mouse. The printing image is